What up, YouTube? It's your boy here, Cat Impala SS. Now look what came in today. Finna try some. This is a 2010 through 15, I think, SS Camaro steering wheel. Got the shifter pedals. Tried to find one without one, but you go on eBay, you see a lot of them, but you don't find too many with the airbag here in the middle. I don't know if it's an airbag in there. May not be, but the only thing I was worried about was if it'll fit. I mean, if it was the same radius of the one I got in there. I was thinking it would be too small because it's a Camaro steering wheel. It may not be small. We're finna see. It may just be thicker and a little more, a little more solid to make it look small. But see, I got my volume buttons, my source. I know with the Pioneer deck that I'm getting, I'll be able to make these work with the radio. Now it's this right here, the cruise control, that I'm gonna try to get to work with it also. Boy, I get that shit working, anybody tell me nothing. But yeah, I'm finna compare the radius right quick. So y'all the back of it. I figured that the splines was the same because I seen a guy with a 2012 Tahoe steering wheel in his Impala. Can't think of what page I seen it on. Yeah, he had a 2012, and which was crazy. Before I seen his, I was wanting the SS Camaro steering wheel. I had an opportunity to get one where the SS was red, but when I went back and got it, it was gone. And it's the only one that was there. That bitch feel brand new car good though. I ain't gonna stunt. Little scratches, not too major. You're gonna see some. I am gonna install this thing. As y'all can see, my baby's still in progress. Still motor broke down. Oh yeah, I got another LT1 rebuilt that I'm gonna throw in here until I get my LS together. And then that motherfucker supercharger will be in here. Okay. If I'm too close. Let me see. Oh, this bitch really ain't no size difference. I'm all this goddamn moving around. Y'all give me a second. Look at that. Radius wise. Back at it. First rule of thumb is when you taking this off, you need to unhook that battery. They say 5 to 10 minutes or 5 to 15 minutes before you remove it. In case the airbag pop on you. I know a little thing I do is when I unhook the battery, I connect both of the, I touch the cables together, the negative and the positive. Kind of let them touch to drain any energy that's running through the car. It worked on some things, it might work on here. So I've been disconnected for like 5 minutes. What you do, get your T27 star socket. It's 2 bolts behind the steering wheel. Start on this side. Yeah, man. The steering wheel kind of determines what color your interior is gonna be. By it being black, it's like, damn. I want to keep original gray. I want to keep the original color gray, but if I stick with that steering wheel, I know I'm gonna have to go black. Which I did want black seats and stuff. I know y'all see my door panel speakers. I might keep that like that so I get my interior done. My rear doors, they poke out a lot. I might switch it up. Yeah, that's a long ass bolt. No, these bolts don't come out. I've been there ratchet forever. These bolts loosen up, but they don't come out. They hang around in there. That's why I'm steady ratcheting. If these bolts don't come out, they just hang around. Damn, I forgot to get a steering wheel puller. I got a crank pulley puller. The steering wheel puller look different. So this video might end. So I go to the store. So I go to AutoZone to get a puller. Just wanna say something, man. Doing this YouTube page, man, y'all stick with me. I'm gonna tell y'all the plan before anybody just stick or take it, or probably already got it. But I wanna go all-wheel drive, thinking about the Trackhawk drivetrain with that supercharged Mopar with supercharged Hellcat engine, going all-wheel drive with it. Then I at least want to be running 1,000 horsepower all-wheel drive. I still like to drive my car, you know. I'm hoping I can drive, you know what I'm saying, with 1,000 horsepower normal. If that's not possible, I know I can go with an LS all-wheel drive with the Trailblazer SS setup. But that's my plan. Y'all stick with your boy. As you can see, it comes off. I don't know if y'all can see that. These are the horn wires right here. And that motherfucker airbag kind of got me scared a little bit. Shit. Let me get some. Y'all can see, I use my harmonic balancer puller to pull it. Most steering wheel pullers have a vertical, just a sprayed across vertical with 2 screws. But I noticed when I first bought this harmonic balancer puller that it had 2, you know, it got different sets of screws, and it just had these 2 screws by themselves. So I'm like, I always wonder what them 2 screws for. It's for pulling steering wheels. As you see on the harmonic, the balancer puller is gonna be like, what, 1, 2, and 3. But with this one, you can see, so you usually have 1, 2, and 3. They're straight up and down. So if you have a puller, that's what them 2 bolts are for. It ain't when it's just 2 bolts the same color. It's for pulling that steering wheel. Yeah, about to pull that thing. Man, it was a little tough, but it popped loose. And so it will come off. I think y'all can see it. Get right here. Y'all better view what's going on. Tell you, man, most important thing is keeping up with your tools, dog. Y'all sure don't. I went through this shit away a long time ago. Lost some of it. Right now, it's a possibility I'm gonna lose it, but I'm gonna put it back up. All right, man, moment of truth. It really don't look the same, to be honest with you. See them splines? Okay, we're gonna see. The splines look different. I wonder if dude did something different in that car. Let's run this little wire, get it out the way. Something going on up in there. There's something going on in there. Yeah, it's a big piece. But You know what? I know how to make that work. I know how to make that work. Tell y'all some hood stuff. Not hood. What I'm gonna do is, I think, because it's this, that hole a little bigger than the splines overall. Spline radius of that. I don't know how far. I would guess this would go all the way down. Shouldn't have to change that whole thing, but I'm gonna take this. I'm gonna put a nut on there, but some nuts ain't round enough. Hellcat Impala SS dog. Check it out. This is a 2015. When I pulled the airbag off, there's no airbag behind it. I seen a sticker saying 2015. I do have the controls, the wires for the cruise controls back there. And the audio is inside there. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna match them wires up with the cruise control on the column. I might just keep it on the column, yeah, it's working. But I'm gonna hook the audio up. Yeah, I'm gonna keep that on the column. I ain't gonna mess with it. The cruise control is right here. Keep that on the column. But the audio, give y'all a little look. Look. I wanted the steering wheel with the red SS to stick out a little more. That's cool. 2015 Camaro SS steering wheel. See how it look from the side. Get some more light. This side view. Don't look too bad. My baby been in the goddamn garage, y'all. I want y'all to get that walk-up view. Let's go and get this view. 2015 Camaro SS. It's going down. It's down with my 96 Impala. Hope my shit down. You know what? My daughter been in the back. She even probably cracked my. Probably cracked my underdash up. But yeah, y'all, that's that. You can get your Chevy Tahoe steering wheel, which I kind of like. And I thought this Camaro steering wheel was gonna be small, but man, it's probably a 1/4 inch in radius smaller, like on for real. Some, you know, about a 1/4 inch. Check it out.